Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let me show you the easiest way to solve this radical equation. Solution. Another way to write this is x over root x plus 2 root x over root x, alright, equals to 9 over 2. Right, by the time we simplify this, we are going to get this. Alright, from there, root x can cancel root x. Then we have x over root x plus we have 2 equals to 9 over 2. Now we can take this plus 2 to the other side, and then it becomes x over root x equals to 9 over 2 minus 2 then over 1. Now we are going to apply one of the laws of exponents that says if we have x raised to power a over x raised to power b, then this becomes x raised to power a minus b. Right, so that's what we are applying here. And then we write root x as x raised to power 1 over 2, because x raised to power 1 over 2 is same thing as root x. Then from here we can find the LCM, which is 2. How many 2 can we see in 2 is 1. 1 times 9. Then how many 1 can we see in 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Alright, then x is same thing as x raised to power 1. Then we can apply that law of exponents. This is written as x raised to power 1 minus 1 over 2, okay, and equals to, this will give us 5 over 2. Now what is 1 minus 1 over 2? It is 1 over 2. That is 1 minus a half. It gives us half, which is 1 over 2, equals to 5 over 2. Now, if you want to write x raised to power 1 over 2, you can write it as root x equals to 5 over 2. Then you square both sides. Let's square both sides. Square both sides. And this becomes, so we have, you square this side, and we also square this side. Square cancel square roots. We have x equals to square of 5 is 25 over square of 2 is 4. Alright, so that means that x is equals to 25 over 4, and that is our final answer. Alright, so let's solve something similar to that. So we have x plus 3 root x over root x equals to 13 over 3. Right here, let's find what x is. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment your answer out at the comment section, share the video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.